Hi friends, and thanks for coming for our beginning sounds worksheet. So we're doing some beginning sounds of fall things, and we're gonna get a chance to figure out what the picture is and then see if we can hear the beginning sound of each picture. Okay? All right, so first we're gonna start with our name. Okay, so my name is Rachel, so I'm gonna write Rachel at the top. R, A, Ch. That's the CH in my name. L, Rachel. So if you can write your name, you can write your name up here at the top, or you can have mom and dad write your name with a highlighter and you can practice tracing. It just depends on what you'd like to do, all right? Now we are going to look at our words right here, and then we're going to start our worksheet. Fall into beginning sounds. This is a beautiful kind of writing. It's called cursive. It's very pretty. See that? Say the name of the picture. Circle the correct beginning sound. So first we're going to say what the first picture is, and then we're going to guess the letter sound that goes with it, okay? All right, so what is this a picture of? A pumpkin, a pumpkin. And what letter sound does pumpkin start with? P, 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 p. All right, let's find the p, 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 p. There it is. P, 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 p. Okay, let's go to the next one. And what is this a picture of? A leaf, a leaf, leaf. What's the first sound you hear when I say leaf? Lovely. Love for lovely. All right, let's try and find the l. There it is, leaf. All right, what's this one here? Who's that? An owl, an owl. An owl. It starts with owl, but it starts with an ah. Can you say ah? So let's find the ah. There it is. There it is. That is the first letter in owl, right? Okay, so let's do the next one, okay? What is this? A football, yes, a football. A football. What's the first sound you hear when I say football? All right, let's see if we can find the There it is. Football. Football. Awesome, you guys. Football. Awesome, you guys. All right, let's do the next one. What is this a picture of? An acorn, an acorn, an acorn. What's the first sound here when I say acorn? A. Let's look for the A. There it is. Acorn. All right, so what is this? Over here. A scarecrow. A scarecrow, right? And the first sound in scarecrow is all right, let's see if we can find there it is. Wonderful, wonderful. All right, let's go to the next one. What is this? We're studying these. Turkey. Turkey. And the first sound we hear in turkey is Let's see if we can find There it is. Turkey. Wonderful. Wonderful. All right. Let's look at the next one. And what's this a picture of? A mouse. A mouse. What's the first sound you hear when I say mouse? Let's see if we can find the There it is. mouse. Wonderful. Okay, let's do the last one here. And what is this a picture of? Bread. Bread. What's the first sound here when I say bread? B, 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 b. Okay, let's see if we can find it. B, 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 b. There it is. B, b, b. Wonderful, guys. Yay! So we did it. We did our beginning sounds worksheet. Way to go, everybody. So if you like, you can color the pictures and we can keep this wonderful worksheet to remember our beginning letter sounds. Thank you so much for coming and doing hard work today. And I will see you guys next time, okay? Bye, guys.